What's going on, guys? Hunter Robinson here, back again with another episode of The Perfect Cast. You already know what it is. My buddy Jesse and I, we're heading out fishing tonight. Same spot where I broke my personal best flathead catfish last weekend. So I'm super excited that we're able to get back out here again. Hopefully to put plenty of more big fish in the boat tonight. Anyways, before we get into this, please smash that like button. Also, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Let's get after it. Aye. Tonight's bait, we have a ton. Look at the size of this. Look at the size of that sunny, man. Oh, he just drenched me. Wow. Yeah, tons of sunnies and some red eyes for the night's bait. Gonna cut some up. Jesse, you got any live ones out? Jesse got one live one. I'm gonna cut a bunch up, see what happens. Cut up sunny, my special way, little fillet. Put a little slice there, cut them in the belly there. That's what's going out first for me. Number one, this rod's straight out, right?
Yep.
And there goes number one. Here's number two now, because I dropped the first one. The second one, I mean. Feel nice?
No, just a tiny one.
Tiny one?
Decent. Actually, no. It's actually decent.
Oh, yeah. Peel and drag, dude. Let's go.
Wow.
Dude.
Okay.
Let's go.
Avionics captain.
Right away, Navionics captain's on one. It's still daylight.
Holy shit, bro. This bottle's this big.
Yeah, that's good, man. That's real good. Let him peel drag. You wanted that one to run the whole way out, didn't you?
Oh, I should have. Yeah, I should have remembered it.
I mean, he's pulling the boat over.
He definitely cleaned up my line. That's a big fish, dude.
That's good. Hopefully it's a 30.
Digging into my hip.
30 to start would be nice.
Let's go, Goblin. Do some work. Look, I can't even reel, dude.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah, man.
Wow, I can't believe we're on already, bro.
That's awesome. Was that live?
No, that
Cut?
was a tiny piece of a fillet, bro. Like literally the piece that I made a fillet like you would cook it.
Yeah, see, that's how, I'm telling you, that one I caught last week. Oh, that's a decent one.
Fuck yeah,
That's a 20.
he's big.
That's probably a 28.
He's big.
We just seen him.
He's mad.
He is. Let's go, man. This is awesome. Right away. Ooh, right away, man. We literally just put in.
Come on, dude. Yeah, I was just messing with my fish finder. So, right.
Yeah, I thought I heard something while I was trying to take that photo. Let's go, man. Bring him on up. Oh, that is a nice one, dude. What do you think he's weighing?
It's 30.
30?
Yeah, probably.
All right, get him on over here. You want me to net him, or he ain't gonna fit in that net? He's hooked good.
Is he hooked?
Yeah, he's hooked good, right in the corner, right where you want it to be. Got him. Oh yeah, baby. Wow, that's a nice boy to start. Oh, listen to him burping.
Yeah.
Way to go, man. Pound that to start. What a fish to start. Look at that monster. Wow, dude, nice hook job. Let's get the scale on him, see what he's weighing. Fish is up. Oh yeah. I don't know how well. 27. 27.7. Yep. Sweet, man. 27.7. That's a. Ooh. Go ahead and get him up. 27 pounder to start the night. Let's go, man. Jesse and I have been getting into them, man. We've been putting a hurting on them, and that's awesome. Let him go and let him grow. Fish number 1, 27, man. Jesse's on the board with a monster in the boat to start. Let's go. Big female. She's gone. Yeah, man. Sweet. Pound it. Let's go. 1 in the boat. All right, I gotta get more baits in. And number 3 going out. It's getting dark. Sweet. Jesse's on again. Let's go, man.
Big one.
No?
At least not that it feels right here anyway.
That's all right. At least it's a fish. Pulling some gray? Oh, yeah. Let's go.
Nope, this is a little guy.
Little guy? That's all right. Flatty?
I'm not sure. Nope.
Channel. That's all right. Little chan. Nothing wrong with that. Still got your bait too. All right, you're pulling them right up on. That's Jesse with 2. Got your bait there.
Pretty one.
Yeah.
Nice and clean.
That is a clean one. Looks out. Sweet, man.
Sir.
Number 2. Nice little channel.
That's an eater there, boy.
That is. Look how clean that
is clean.
puppy is. Beautiful little channel.
Yeah.
Sweet, man. 2 in the boat. Awesome. Pound it.
Man, he ripped that thing pretty good.
He did.
Size.
He did.
Big one.
It ain't a big one, but
Oh, it's a big one. Oh, yeah.
it's a flathead. Well, I was in a snag, and then I got the snag out, and we got a flathead, so sweet.
No more skunk.
No more skunk, yeah. Oh, easy, easy. Wow. That was something else. All 3 of my rods snagged. So the one we thought we had a fish, I thought I had a fish on, I didn't have a fish on.
That's it.
Yeah, that's that. There he is. Sweet. Number 1 for me. Number 3 in the boat total. Little guy, but I'm happy to have a flathead.
Fish to fish.
Yep. Get him back. Sweet. All right.
Go.
Pound it. Off the back of the boat again. Again. I missed the takedown. Barely got my GoPro on. We're right off the back of the boat again. That wasn't even 2 minutes. He ain't that good, but still. That's pretty cool, man. Right off.
Yeah.
I'm always hitting them right off the back of the boat now. Another flathead, though. Sweet.
Yeah, the weather cleared up.
Weather cleared up. Maybe they're gonna start biting now. Yeah, that'd be nice. Awesome. Sweet. Yeah, that was quick. Awesome. Number 2. Put him back. Pretty good sign. Got him. Definitely a little fish. Yeah, how about it? Another flathead though. Still got my bait too.
Is the bass head again?
Nah.
Oh.
No, the bass head's on that green one. I know. This is. Yeah, dude. That's the dink of dinks there. If my bait tank was running right now, I'd put him in there.
I wonder if we cut that up to bait. I mean, I hate killing them, but I just wonder if it would like chunks of that meat.
I don't know.
It's probably more bloody than ours.
Probably. Well, get him released. That's what, 5 in the boat? See you, buddy. Where's the big ones at, man? Well, that's gonna do it, guys. Slow, very odd night. Weather was weird. Everything about this night was pretty weird, honestly. But Jesse got the biggest fish of the night with that 27-pounder in the daylight still. But yeah, that's gonna do it. We're wrapping it up now, getting out of here. It is super late, super tired. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I appreciate you watching. Till next time. Bye.